Good morning, students. Myself Ajit Pratap Singh. Today, in video number 26, I will tell you about measurement. Apart from measurement, I will also tell you about standard units of measurement along with multiples and some multiples of units. Okay, students. So let's start with the measurement. As you know, students, in our day-to-day life, we need measurement at the regular basis, and for correct measurement we need some tools also like scale to measure the length of any object. Okay, students, you may find that the length of the line segment is 10 centimeters. If you will measure the length of a line segment using a scale, notice that the measurement consists of two parts. Okay, one a number, and second the name of the unit of measurement. The number here is 10, okay, and the unit is centimeter. This unit centimeter is the standard length that is known to us. So when you measure length, you compare the unknown length with this known length. Okay, so we generally compare the unknown length with the known length. 10 centimeters means that the length you have measured is 10 times as much as the known unit. Okay. Similarly, if the length of your table is 2 meters, it is 2 times as much as the known unit, the meter. If your mass is 35 kilograms, it is 35 times as much as the known unit, the kilogram. We can therefore say that measurement is the comparison of the unknown quantity with some fixed quantity of the same kind. So students, we generally measure something, and for measure something we need the comparison between the unknown quantity with the fixed quantity of the same kind. Okay, students, now we will move to the next slide, that is about standard units. Till a few years ago, different countries had their own units of measurement. So few years ago, the different countries had the different methods of measurement. So it was very confusing for every country. Okay, students. So in the year 1960, the General Conference of Weights and Measures recommended that a common system should be applied all over the world. This system was called the SI system. Okay, students. SI is the abbreviation of Système International d'Units in French. In this system, the standard units of length, mass, and time are: for meter, it is the standard unit of length. For length, it is meter, and it is written as small m. Next slide. And if you have to measure for mass, then it is kilogram, and it is written as kg. For time, it is the second, and it is written as small s. The SI system is used uniformly all over the world for all scientific work. So now it is used all over the world, and every country is agree with this system. Okay, students. However, in everyday measurements, other systems are still in use. So other systems are also there, like FPS, means foot pound second. The CGS system, that means the centimeter gram second, and the MKS system, that is meter kilogram second, which uses the same standard units for length, mass and time as the SI system. Okay students, now I will tell you about multiples and some multiples of units. Okay students, by using a meter scale or measuring tape, you will find that your room will perhaps be about 3 meter in length, while the length of your table would be about 1 meter. So the length will be lesser according to the object. Okay students, measuring the length of a room or the length of a table in meters is convenient. Okay, next slide. You can see using a meter scale, they are measuring the length of a room. Here with the tape, they are measuring the length of a table. The distance between Kolkata and Mumbai is about 20 lakh meter. Do you think it is convenient to measure such large distances in meter? No. So the thickness of a coin is about 15/10,000 meter or 0.0015 meter. Do you think it is convenient to measure such small quantities in meters? Making calculations with large or very large numbers or very small numbers, becomes very difficult and therefore impractical. So if you will perform the calculations with very large or very small quantities, then it will be very difficult and also will be very impractical also. So for convenience, multiples of standard units are used to make large measurements. Fractions or some multiples of standard units are used to make small measurements. Okay students, so that's it in this video students. I hope now you will be able to tell about what is measurement and also about what are standard units of measurement and when the SI units were introduced all over the world. Okay, and what are the other systems which are used apart from SI system for measuring the length of any object. Okay, and what are the multiples and some multiples of units like meter, okay, like centimeter, because it is very difficult, as you know students, to measure the very large quantities or very small quantities. Okay, and it is impractical also. So we generally use the multiples of standard units to to make large measurements, and also we used some multiples or fractions of standard units to make small measurements. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you students.